Good days, everyone. I am Sergeant Karen Pernias, and I will discuss the four basic gas laws: Boyle's Law, Charles' Law, Gay-Lussac's Law, Avogadro Law. These laws explain the relationship between pressure, volume, temperature, and number of moles of gas. Boyle's Law. General formula relationship. Boyle's Law states that pressure is inversely proportional to volume when temperature is constant. Formula: P1 over B1 equals P2 over B2 if pressure increases, volume decreases. Derived formula: B2 equals P1 divided by P2. P2 equals B1 divided by B2. Sample problem. Given P1 initial pressure 1 atm, B1 initial volume 4L, P2 final pressure 2 atm. Find volume. B2. Solution: P1 over B1 equals P2 over B2. 1 times 4 equals 2 times B2. 4 equals 2 B2. B2 equals 2L. Final answer is 2 liters. Charles' Law. General formula relationship. Charles' Law states volume is directly proportional to temperature when pressure is constant. Formula: V1 over T1 equals B2 T2. Temperature must be in Kelvin. Derived formula: B2 equals B1 T2 T1. Sample problem. Given B1 equals 3L, T1 equals 300K, T2 equals 600K. Find B2. Solution: B2 equals 3 times 600 slash 300. B2 equals 1,800 slash 300. B2 equals 6L. Final answer 6 liters. Avogadro's Law. General formula relationship. Avogadro's Law states volume is directly proportional to number of moles when temperature and pressure are constant. Formula: B1 slash N1 equals B2 slash N2. Derived formula: B2 equals B1 N2 slash N1. Sample problem. Given B1 equals 2L, N1 equals 1 mole, N2 equals 3 moles. Find B2. Solution: B2 equals 2 times 3 slash 1. B2 equals 6L. Final answer 6 liters. Gay-Lussac's Law. General formula relationship. Gay-Lussac's Law states pressure is directly proportional to temperature when volume is constant. Formula: P1 slash T1 equals P2 slash T1 T2. Temperature must be in Kelvin. Derived formula: P2 equals P1 T2 slash T1. Sample problem. Given P1 equals 1 atm, T1 equals 300k. T2 equals 600k. Find P2. Solution: P2 equals 1 times 600 slash 300. P2 equals 600 slash 300. P2 equals 2 ATM. Final answer, 2 ATM.